Kick it. We got the rhythm straight, hard moving. Baddest rapper on the mic. You feel the bass straight. I'm the baddest, I'm the best, and I'm gonna make it to take it to